Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to hide notifications on iPhone. Now let's get started. First we need to open our settings. Then we need to scroll down and find notifications. And just tap on it. Here select up which notifications you would like to hide. If you want to turn off notifications for this app altogether, just tap the switch at the top to turn off notifications. Also at the category alert we can see three main options: lock screen, notification center and banners. We can click on them and turn off each of them separately. Below also you can change banner style. It can be temporary or persistent. And also turn off sounds notifications and badges notifications. And that's all. It was how to hide notifications on iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.